Welcome everyone to Piedmont Triad International Airport in Greensboro, North Carolina. We're the home of Carolina Aircraft, and this is our specialty. Only the finest pre-owned prime condition Beechcraft Barons and Bonanzas. May K. Bueller here, folks, with something very exceptional to tell you about today. This is a rare bird, only one of 13. This is a 35R. She's 1947, rebuilt in 1953 by the Beech Factory. Let's take a look. So let's talk about your engine. It's a Continental E185, 205 horsepower. And check out your prop. Only 61 hours on the prop since prop overhaul. Something you should know, the original factory logbook was replaced by the factory remanufactured logbook as the official new logbook at 283.5 hours total time with a new aircraft serial number designation. So folks, this is your opportunity to own a little piece of Beechcraft history. Only one of 13, as I said earlier. These airplanes were upgraded in 1953, a new designation, a new serial number, plenty of fuel on board to fly to your dream destinations and show her off, and rightly so. 64 gallons of fuel, and check out the mod. We have 15-gallon tip tanks. The exterior of this V-tail is stunning. Matterhorn white overall with deep blue and bright red stripes in excellent condition. 5,430 hours total time on the airframe since new. And as you can see, this is the patriotic Beech scheme, new paint in 2013. And here's something you'll be happy to know. The ruddervators are in great condition, no corrosion. The interior of this 35R is beautiful. We'll take a closer look in just a minute. The useful load for this airplane, 771 pounds. So come on in and check out the interior. It is impressive. Redone in 2013. Beautiful red and blue leather seats, gray bluish carpet in great condition. The sidewalls, the headliner, absolutely beautiful. Shoulder harnesses for everyone and a 4-place intercom system. So let's check out the flight deck of this vintage V-tail. We have two navcoms. The first one is an MX-170B digital navcom. Your number 2 is a King. The autopilot is a King KMA-20. We have a Narco DME on board, a King ADF. Your transponder is a King KT-76A with a UAvionix tail beacon ADS-B. And your autopilot is a Century 3 autopilot with altitude hold. Other features you will appreciate: 15-gallon tip tanks, a large third window, auto fuel MOGAS STC, shoulder harnesses for the pilot and co-pilot, dual control wheel, co-pilot brakes, custom paint, one-piece speed slope windshield, and more. So folks, I cannot brag enough about this beautiful, beautiful V-tail. 1947, rebuilt in 1953 at the factory, only one of 13. Yes, there's some mods, the enlarged third window and the tip tank. She's in beautiful condition, great paint, interior gorgeous, and I love the vintage panel. Now, this is a great opportunity for you to add this to your collection. Yes, you can fly her wherever you want, but wouldn't it be great to take her to air shows, put her on static display and show her off, or put her in the corner of your hangar where you can just admire her? Now, you know this airplane's not going to last. She's going to fly away quickly. If you're interested, give us a call right away. We're at Piedmont Triad International Airport in Greensboro, North Carolina. Please come and test drive. You will be impressed. She's affordable, and Bonanza School is included in the price of the aircraft. I'm May K. Bueller for Carolina Aircraft. Thank you so much for watching.